Today, guys, it is Friday. My truck's been out of order since Tuesday. Wednesday. Sorry about that. The truck won't get fixed until about hopefully today if they come in, but not until Sunday. Waiting for the hubs. Hubs went on both sides. Hopefully I can get a video. Okay, now it's almost 4 o'clock and the parts just got here. The new hubs. So, and then I had to get a new this thing. Got to replace it on the other side. Now I'll put the new piece in. Hopefully it goes in nice and easy. Alright, see you later. So we have to replace with the new sensors, old sensors.
If you have to get...
Okay, this side's done. Now we're going to work on this side. Taking that wheel up. Now. Next, I think I need a new boot. My boot's back. So it's a little wobbly, right?
What's that? Oh yeah, look at that. The boot's broken.
Yeah, that's what I said.
You ain't doing nothing with that, brother. It's done.
Yeah.
You need a new axle because I don't know how long this thing's been like that.
It's been like that for about over a year.
Then you need a new axle, without a doubt. New axle. I'm telling you that now. Buy your new axle and put it on.
There it comes, coming out. Taking off the back plate. 3 bolts.
You were good about seeing that. I did not see that the first time.
Yeah.
I did not see it. You were good about seeing it. I would. Right, bloody here.
Use 2 wrenches as a lever.
Yeah. When you do the...
So while we're here, we're replacing, like I said before, this thing with this new one, since it's all damaged. Gotta get it next. Okay, now we got the new hub on, just tighten everything up.
Oh yeah, that's on this up. We had to put the sensor in there.
And to put the sensor back,
Sensor.
the old sensor, which was a new one, but it's okay. Different style. Okay, we're done. We're going to take it for a test ride soon, later. So, like I said, those are the old hubs that we changed. Hopefully you watch this video and enjoy it.